Ramadan is a time of spiritual reflection, self-improvement and heightened devotion and worship. The ninth and the holiest month of Islamic calendar, when the Muslims across the world fast during the hours of daylight. After dusk, they break this fast with a meal called the iftar, often eaten with family members or with the local community at a mosque during Ramadan. Because of this lockdown, this year it is not possible for us to enjoy the Ramadan food. The video will virtually help you relive this experience. We also pray to the Almighty that the lockdown gets over soon and the situation improves. At around 4 p.m., there are stalls set up selling some of the most mouth-watering starters. During Ramadan, the meat-stuffed samosa is a highlight. How can we miss the kebabs, which is a tender meat being cooked over a bed of coals? Mughlai food cannot be imagined without the inclusion of the amazing chicken egg roll and baida roti. Shawarma is a Middle Eastern dish which is loved by everyone, as it contains thin slices of meat roasted on slowly turning vertical roti sari or spit. Tandoori items are always a best option for starters. We truly miss the chicken tandoori, chicken malai tikka and golden chicken. It is a myth that during this time only non-veg food is served. There is a lot of vegetarian starter options as well, like bhajia, dahi vada, patra, aloo chaat and much more. These food items or starters are available only before iftar prayer begins. Hence, they make sure to buy whatever they need before everything gets over. Mughlai food is all about spices, curries, different meats and their concoction. Bara handi is a mixture of goat trotters, mutton curry, wheat harissa and bone marrow. All these come together to form an amazing bowl full of flavors. No one can resist the food made on tawa, live in front of your eyes because of the aromatic spices which are used to cook dishes like tawa fish fry, prawns masala, bheja. There is no other cuisine that is known for its curries other than Mughlai cuisine like Haryali chicken, chicken bhuna, chicken tikka masala, chicken korma are perfect to go along with different types of breads. Even though the Mughlai food is something that you cannot get enough of, but you need to keep room for what's coming next. Dessert not only fulfills your cravings for sweet tooth, but also satisfies your soul. This auspicious festival calls for gigantic malpuas served with fresh rabdi. Mawa jalebi and rabdi is a classic duo which cannot go wrong. The mango milkshake is a hearty drink, especially when it is topped with fresh mangoes. Freshly cut sweet mangoes topped with rich cream and dry fruits is this mango cream, a newest addition to the dessert list. Faluda is a combination of ice cream, kulfi, rabdi and dry fruits. It is very heavy for one person to finish, but a must try to indulge in. Though we completely understand your cravings for the meals, but we highly encourage everyone to stay indoors and celebrate Ramadan with the same enthusiasm with your family. Do hit the like button, share this video with your friends and celebrate at the same time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Things to Do. Do let us know about your thoughts in the comment section.